Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be working with Lifewit, you guys. I worked with them in the past. So today, I will be doing a review on 2 items that they sent over for me to review for you all. So the first item is a 4-piece large storage organizer bands. This is great for your pantry, your laundry room, your bathroom, and different things like that. So right now, I'm just showing you guys what that looks like. I'm going to be using mine to organize my kids' snacks. So I'm just going to show you guys everything that I will be putting inside of the bin. Alright guys, so far I am loving the way these bins look full with my children's snack. I'm definitely going to have to stock up on some more of these bins just to be able to get my kitchen organized to where I want it to be. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about these so far. Okay guys, so the next item that I will be reviewing for you all is their 13-piece airtight food storage containers with universal lids. This right here, you can use this for dry food and wet food as well, but I decided to use mine for my children's candy and their oatmeal and some of their crackers as well. It's also made of high quality material, which is food grade plastic. Also is temper resistant, waterproof, and heat resistant as well. You also get 16 label stickers, so that way you're able to put down your labels on each container for which it's used. I also wanted to let you guys know that it does come with 4 different sizes. This pack that I received includes 1 tall container, 5 medium containers, 4 small containers, and 3 mini containers. So I ended up using 4 of the medium containers and 2 of my small containers, and the rest of them I'm just going to use later on with more of my organization needs. Okay guys, so right now I'm just putting everything on the shelf, and then I'm going to give you guys a quick before and after look. Before, you guys, it was a hot, atrocious mess, and now it's so neat and clean. I love it. No more big boxes to declutter. So I'm going to leave all of Lifewit's information in my description, so you guys can be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Alright y'all, so like I was saying, I was making my baby some lunch, and right now I just got finished cleaning Carol's bottle to get him ready to be fed, y'all. Today I'm not doing anything more than taking Amina to her dentist appointment. I haven't been vlogging you guys lately because I've just been tired, y'all. Baby Carol has been keeping your girl up lately, and yeah, so that's a whole nother story within itself. So tonight I'm going to give him a hot bath to make sure that he's soothed and, you know, relaxed enough to be able to, you know, rest tonight so I can rest or whatever. But anywho, just wanted to come and say hello. I hope you guys are doing great, because I'm doing good. I also been doing a lot of hair reviews, you guys. So this right here is a unit that I recently reviewed. I just recorded it, so you guys probably will see that before you guys see this vlog. I'm not sure, but anyway, if you do, then you'll know about this hair that I'm talking about. And let me know if you guys are liking my hair reviews, hair videos. I know, you know, a lot of people, you know, like it. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. But if you guys are new and you watching me, go ahead and like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified when I do upload and, you know, things like that. But I just, like I said, wanted to come and get this vlog started for today. So yeah, so I'm making the kids some lunch, corn dogs, giving them gummies and some Cheez-Its, you guys. So this is going to be their lunch, and they're going to have like one of those spoons to go along with this, y'all. But anywho, just wanted to show you guys what I was making my kids for lunch. Super quick and easy. Okay. But I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good, you guys. Baby Cairo is sleeping, and I'll show you baby Cairo in a minute. Y'all, I've been doing so many hair reviews. It's been crazy. Crazy. Oh yeah. I'm from a city that's high school. I give them the cinema, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break cars real fast like a man. When I swim down to the deep end. Don't you know all my secrets, honestly? Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see in your eyes, I've been running around. Yeah, that's a pussy, baby. He just took him a bath. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Cairo. Y'all, so I'm about to rub him down in some lotion. Bedtime lotion, and then get him dressed up. He's cranky.
Well, Mama. Well, Mama. You really know how to fuck up a good day. Please help me. Y'all get them kids out there right now before they catch a case. Hey, you grab the butt one, I got buckwheat.
You know, Pat, being in Mama's house has really made me think. I had Mama worrying a lot about me when I was doing drugs all those years. Her with this funeral.
You know what? If you want to spend a fortune on Mama's funeral, go right ahead.
Really?
Yeah, if you think you can handle it. Oh, I can handle it. But you can't ask me for nothing. Nothing.
Y'all, comment below if you like Miss Pat's show too, because y'all, this is me and Babe all new Ultimate High. Oh my God. They are dumb. Yeah, look at my kids, y'all. They are in here. They're in here watching, I think, what y'all watching, Blaze? Yeah, they're watching Blaze, y'all. So, yeah.
Mama! Hey!
Hey, baby. All y'all. So that's what my kids are doing. I just got out the shower. I've been home for a while, actually. So yeah, I actually, like I said, been home for a while. So yeah. Look at my baby, Cairo. Baby Nick is right here. He's asleep, you guys. The boys are with their dad. So yeah, he took them to go spend their money they made this week. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go show you baby Cairo. Let them watch their TV, and then yes, okay. Hey, Cairo. Hey, Cairo.